Google, turn on studio light.
Okay, turning the studio light on.
Alright guys, welcome back for another video. And today we'll be having another parcel to be unboxed na galing kay Kikong HT from Baguio City. Okay, si Sir Kikong HT, he's selling a pre-lab items that came from an HT box o yung hard toys box. But actually, it is a Hong Kong trade box which comes from Hong Kong. Yan. So guys, if you're into buying pre-love item, just follow his page and check his post for his items for sale. So what we have here, this is a truck hydraulic hammer by Joel. So let's unbox this. I have few Joel model. And yung mga Joel model is mga made sila sa Spain. Yeah, made in Spain. So let's unbox this and check this item. By the way, this is Joel in 1:50 scale. So this is a highly collectible item. Plus, yung ano na to, truck hydraulic hammer na to, this is one of a kind. Mahirap din hanapin. And nakakuha tayo kay Kikong HT ng hydraulic hammer na machine na excavator. Yan. So, buksan na natin to. Okay, ingatan ko lang guys, no? And, feeling ko hindi siya nakabox sa loob, eh. Baka makater ko yung item mismo. So, ingatan lang natin. Yan, ito na siya. Okay, nakabox pala. Okay, so very secure naman yung parcel ni Kikong HT. So, thank you very much, sir, for securing my item. By the way, guys, itong nakuha natin sa kanya, this is just pre-lab. And based on picture, based on initial inspection, complete naman siya. Pero, this item, this is a bit vintage. This is a rare find, guys. It has only limited information in the web. But, nakakita tayo ng Jolden na brand na toy na similar dito sa nakuha natin kay sir. Okay. So, ito na siya. Uy, may free item pa si sir. Thank you, sir, for this free item. Tanggalin ko lang to, guys. Okay, ito na siya, guys. Using lang natin tong yung ano niya, yung trackpad niya. Okay, ito siya guys. This is a Joel Atlas Copco TEXH truck hydraulic hammer at 1:50 scale by Joel. Yan. This has not much information in the web but I found picture in German website. And let's begin the details. Starting from the hammer, this is die-cast metal, itong yellow part na to. Yan. Tapos die-cast din yung pinaka-tip niya. This is a spring-loaded. Okay, tapos meron siyang sticker dito guys na Atlas Copco. TEX-H Silence. Yan. Sa side na to, this is die-cast metal. Lahat na nakikita yung gray na to. Yan sa arm niya. Except, ito, plastic lang to guys. Tapos die-cast tong ito sa loob ng hydraulic cylinder. Same here, saka same here. Okay, so sa body, lahat na nakikita ng yellow is die-cast metal. Yan yung details ng roof niya. Itong yung grill niya na to, this is embedded na die-cast. Tapos color blue yung windshield saka side windows. Yan, may sticker siya ng Atlas Copco construction tools. Yung Atlas Copco kasi specialized siya sa mga drilling. Yan. The base itself is die-cast. Itong pinaka-base niya, itong kabitan ng trackpad is die-cast metal. Rubber yung trackpad niya. Yan, rolling yan. Tapos plastic yung pinaka-roller sa loob. Sa side na to, wala masyadong details. This is die-cast. Tapos dito sa side na to, logo ulit ng Atlas Copco. May sticker ulit doon ng TEX-H. Yan. So yun yung details niya. Sa ilalim niya guys, ang markings nito is Ayan siya. Scale 1:50, tas logo ng Joel. Yan. Etong Joel na to, this is made in Spain, guys. There's not much information in the web, but I found a similar product of Joel. That is the Ackerman EC200 and Ackerman H7C. Yan. Scale model yan, guys. Just like in the picture, yun yung itsura ng mga 1:1 nila. But this one, wala akong makitang information sa web. By the way, itong Ackerman, pag sinearch mo yung Ackerman, lalabas din yung Volvo website. Yan. I guess they are part of the group. Okay, so for the weight, let's check the weight. So yun ang weight niya, guys, 332 grams. And for the size comparison, I have here the Ackerman EW200 na crane wheel type. Yan yung itsura nila, guys. Parehas sila ng itsura ng casting. Yan, pare-parehas sila. This is Jolden. And this item is a bit vintage, guys. This is a rare find. Because, as you know, yung mga Joel model, it comes with rubber pad. Yan, na makikita mo lang sa Joel na older model. Tapos, isa pang indication niya, ito. Kasi, itong mga newer model, plastic yung grill niya to, tapos, transparent yung moonroof niya. While ito, hindi. I guess this is part of a discontinued product ng Joel. Kaya ganun. Luma na yung model na to, guys. And kung titignan natin yung catalog na itong Joel na to, ng newer model. Itong model na to, wala siya doon. Yan, ito yung catalog na meron ako. Kasama dito sa model na to. Itong Joel na to, maraming maraming products to, guys. Yan, meron siyang cut. Yan yung mga cut models nila. Ito mga Joel brand to. Yan, ang dami nilang product, guys. Yun yung EW200 na kapares niya. Yung truck hydraulic hammer. Well, yan. Tapos yung mga newer model niya, guys. Ito, just like this. The E650 metal truck link na yung truck pad niya. Ito din. Yan, metal trackpad yung gamit niyan, mga newer models. Even tong Komatsu dito ng Joel, this is metal track link. Yan. I guess itong Atlas Copco na to, part ng discontinued, hindi na siya kasama sa mga models na yun na pinakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so that's much of it, guys. If you like more of this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So I'll see you for the upcoming video, and goodbye.